Hey everyone! Do you ever feel like your to-do list is running your life instead of the other way around? Trust me, I've been there. But what if I told you there's an app that can help you take control of your tasks, stay organized, and actually enjoy checking things off your list? That's where Todoist comes in. In this video, I'll show you why Todoist is my go-to task management app and how you can use it to supercharge your productivity. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what makes Todoist so great. It's a simple yet powerful app that helps you organize tasks, set deadlines, and prioritize what matters most. Whether you're managing work projects, personal errands, or both, Todoist has you covered. Creating a task is super easy. Just tap the plus button, type in your task, and hit enter. You can add details like due dates, labels, and even subtasks to break things down into smaller steps. One of my favorite features is projects. You can group related tasks together, like work, home, or vacation planning. This keeps everything organized and easy to find. You can even color code your projects to make them visually appealing. It's like having a personal assistant who keeps everything in order. Another game changer is recurring tasks. Got a weekly meeting or a monthly bill payment? Just set it up once, and Todoist will remind you every time it's due. No more forgetting those repetitive tasks. Todoist has your back. Todoist also lets you prioritize tasks with 4 priority levels. Just flag your most important tasks, and they'll stand out in your list. You can even use filters to create custom views, like today's top priorities or upcoming deadlines. It's like having a personalized productivity dashboard. And let's not forget the best part, checking things off your list. Todoist celebrates your progress with fun animations and a productivity score that keeps you motivated. There's something so satisfying about watching that progress bar grow. It's like a little reward for getting things done. Here's why Todoist is a must-have app. It's simple and intuitive to use. You can organize tasks into projects and subtasks. Recurring tasks save you time. Priority levels and filters help you focus on what matters. It's available on all your devices: phone, laptop, tablet, you name it. Todoist has completely transformed the way I manage my tasks, and I know it can do the same for you. So, what are you waiting for? Download Todoist and start taking control of your to-do list today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more productivity tips, and let me know in the comments how Todoist works for you. See you next time.